Hello everyone and welcome back to day 5 of our 15-day SQL series on SQL tricks and traps. Today we are going to talk about another common error regarding rounding of decimal numbers. So stay through the video and also don't forget to answer the SQL riddle at the end of this video. Now the function that most SQL developers are aware of is the round function. It rounds to the nearest number. So value of 5 and up is rounded up and lesser than 5 is rounded down. Round function takes two arguments. First is the column which you want to round and second defines the number of decimal places you want in your output. So if you want to round this 3 decimal place input number to 2 decimal places, we will pass 2 as the second argument and this is our output. The next function is a ceiling function that will round up the value to the nearest integer. Make a note that the output is always going to be an integer. The floor function behaves similarly to ceiling function, but it rounds down instead of rounding up, again to an integer output value. The part that most SQL developers are not aware of is that round function can take a third argument, which is a truncation flag, and if it is set to 1, it will truncate your input value to the desired number of decimal places instead of it rounding up or down. Another trick that many of you might not be aware of with the round function is that it can also take a negative argument in which it is going to round the number to the nearest hundreds or thousands. So an argument of -2 means it's going to round it to the nearest hundreds, in which case our input of 111.456 results in the output of 100. Now that you're aware of all these cool SQL tricks that can be performed with the round function, it's time for a fun SQL riddle. Solve our SQL riddles on all 15 days of our SQL challenges, and if you get them all right, you could win free access to our SQL online courses. So all the best and see you in the next video.